How to add stories to Instagram profile. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram. Log into your account, then click on your profile at the bottom right. Then click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. You will find Settings and Activity pop up. In Settings and Activity, click on Archive. And make sure at the top it is Stories Archive. After you've done that, click on the story you want to add in your profile. Then at the bottom you will find Highlight. Simply click on Highlight. Click on New with the plus button. Then add the name to your highlight and press on Add. After you have done that, your story will be visible on your profile as you can see. Now if you want to add something in this highlight, click on the highlight and then click on three dots at the bottom right. Click on Edit Highlight, go to Stories and select the story you want to add in this highlight and press on Done at the top right corner of your screen. And you're good to go. This is how to add stories to Instagram profile. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.